Hello, workout number 5, I believe. Today's workout is a little different. It's kind of a timed workout, but it's a countdown of time. What it's going to be is we're going to do 8 minutes of a series of exercises. You're going to set a timer for 8 minutes. You're going to do certain exercises I'm going to tell you to do. Then you're going to do 7 minutes, and you're going to do another series of exercises. Then you go down to 6 minutes, do the first series. Go down to 5 minutes, do the second series. 4, 3, 2, down to 1 minute. So once you're down to that last minute of the second series, then you're done with your workout. So it's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 of workout. The first series for all the even minute timed minutes is going to be a cardio mix of different things. The second series is going to be an odd mix of things. So I've attached the Word document of it. That'll probably be the easiest way to do this. So I'll do minutes 8 and 7 to begin with. We'll start there. And just so you know, I'm in my mother's basement, and we have Reggie, the golden doodle, who might get involved. Every time I work out, she gets involved. I couldn't keep her out of the basement. So here we are, and we're going to start 8 minutes. Start a timer for 8 minutes. Here we go. We're going to do 10 burpees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Good. Next, we're going to do 10 jumping jacks. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, 20 mountain climbers. Hands down here. 1. $19, $20. 20 squat position jabs. So you're down here, squat position, jabs. 10, 10 more. 10. Good. 10 happy monkeys. In and out, squat up and down. So here's 1. Squat, jump for 2. In, out, squat, jump for 3. Here's from the side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, we are back at the top. 10 burpees. Here we go. 2. One more. Good. What's next? 10 jumping jacks. Good. We are doing 20 mountain climbers. Good. 20. Squat and jab. Side view. Good. Happy monkeys. In and out. Jump squat. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, keep breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more. There's 10. All right, back to 10 burpees. We have just a little over 3:30 left to go. Here we go. Remember, this is your longest. Take a break if you need it. 10. Go lay down. Go lay down. Sweetheart, look out. Look out. 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Good. 10 jacks. You're down to 3 minutes. 10 jacks. Here we go. Good. 20 mountain climbers. Good. Squat and jab. 20. In a good squat position. Hold that squat. Arms in guard. Good hit. 20. Good. 10. Happy monkeys. I know you're getting tired. Remember, this is your last bit. Almost 2-minute warning. Here we go. Here's 5, down and up, 4, down and up, 3, down and up, 2, one more, down and up. Okay, back from the beginning, you have 1:30. Let's see what you can get done. 10 burpees. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 10 jumping jacks. Two, 1. Back to 20 mountain climbers. Good. Squat and jab with 20 seconds on the clock. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get a couple happy monkeys in. 2, 3 in. All right. Looks like that was our cardio, 8 minutes. We almost got it all the way through. We're gonna do 7 minutes now. Slower pace. Here we go. Let me set this timer. I'm not used to it. We're gonna start off with push-ups. I will do modified first, and then we'll do Some abs and some more arms and legs. Okay, 10 push-ups. You can do a modified. So right here, modified, bring your hips to the floor, bending the elbows. 10. Don't do this with your head down like that. Proper form. 9, 8, 7. Bring the hips to the floor. Back is flat. Forgot where I'm at. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're going to do 10 glute kickbacks on each side. So right here, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Core is pulled in. 4, 3, 2, flat to the ceiling, foot. 1, other side. 10, 9, squeeze those cheeks and hamstrings. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 20 twisting jackknives on your back, legs straight out. Point those toes nice and tall. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do 10, 8, 9, and 10. So once you get through the whole series, we're going to do 10. What did I put? Kickstands. Right here. Oops, should be in the camera. On your side, up and kick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Squeeze this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Other side. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10 leg lifts. Lay on your back. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Use that core. Here's 6, 5. Don't let those legs rest. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to start. 10 push-ups. I'll show you modified again. Those that are in my classes, though, you go to regular. Here we go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Bend those elbows. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Kickbacks, 10 each side. 10, 9. Squeeze that butt. 2, 1. Other side. 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 twisting jackknives. Here we go. 10, 9, nice and tall. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kickstand. On that hip, leg is 90 degrees. Elbows right under the shoulder, hand on hip. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Drop that hip. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. You have almost 2 minutes left. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 10 leg lifts. Here we go. 10, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We got time left. Let's see what we get through. 10 push-ups. Here we go. Remember, lead with your abs and your chest, not your chin. You look 2 feet in front of you. Butt down. Bend the elbows for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute left. Let's do some kickbacks. 3, 2, 1. Other side. 2, 1. All right, twisting jackknives. We got time for them. Let's do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We might just finish off with these. Yep. 4, 3, 2. One more. Good. Why waste it? All right. That was that. So now you're going to go through Series A, cardio. I know it's hard. Set your timer 6 minutes or start the video over and just do 6 minutes through. Then you're going to do your floor work, 5 minutes. Back to the cardio for 4, floor work for 3, cardio for 2, floor work for 1. However many sets of stuff you can get through. Work hard, finish the workout. Great job.